We can only approximately 93 billion light-years, diameter, of the universe we live in and can only explain it as being infinite. Its matter composition is an infinite amount of atoms of differing compositions of protons and electrons that we can classify as element. Looking at the composition of our planet, these atoms are fantastically amazing, especially those that have supported and have over a long span of time mixed and weaved themselves to form life made from their combined elements. Combinations of atoms have created fauna that used the substance of elements to grow and thrive. Later, within the aging of the universe and the solid gaseous, liquid-based ball we call Earth, differing new fauna evolving, some that could seed or split and populate the oceans. Then later the land that had thrust itself high by an expanding liquid hot gaseous center and mantle of the spinning ball of atoms, a revolving planet of the star called Sol. The very hunger of the fauna see its seeds change into living beings that had much more freedom to seek elements for substance much easier. Then these new species started eating the older established ones. That's the point when the survival of the fittest kicked in, that eventually led to creatures with brains and expanding levels of intelligence. Most people now have at least a rudimentary knowledge of Darwin's theories and also know that those theories have been given proof. Now we understand DNA more. Proof is provided that evolution is indeed a fact. One point is that something that is and has been overlooked is that atoms are alive, and they are alive with energy. Most atoms are dormant but hardly ever die. The universe is alive with atoms and could not exist without them. In fact, life existed directly after the Big Bang and exists in the furthest reaches of infinitely. That means also in ideal situations atoms can create species and start the same fight for survival of the fittest on similar lines as happen here on Earth. Yes, within the infinity there will be an infinite number of intelligent civilizations, and it's that ideal situation factor that keeps us safe from each other.